What if I told you that every object around you, even this chair, your phone, or your own body, contains an unimaginable amount of hidden energy? That incredible idea is captured in one of the most famous equations ever written, E equals mc². E stands for energy, m stands for mass, and c represents the speed of light, which travels at nearly 300 million meters every second. But the equation doesn't just use the speed of light, it uses the speed of light squared. That means multiplying this enormous number by itself, creating a value so large that even a tiny amount of mass contains an extraordinary amount of energy. The reason this equation works begins with one of Einstein's greatest discoveries. He realized that the speed of light is the same for every observer, no matter how fast they're moving. This changed our understanding of space and time and led to an entirely new description of how the universe works. The complete relationship between energy, mass, and motion is E² equals mc² squared plus pc squared, where p represents momentum. For an object at rest, momentum is zero. That removes the second term, leaving the famous equation, E equals mc². This means every object has energy simply because it has mass. We see stored energy in batteries, compressed springs, and hot objects. Mass stores energy too, but in a much deeper way. Inside the sun, hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium. The helium has slightly less mass than the hydrogen it came from. That tiny amount of missing mass is converted into an enormous amount of energy, producing the sunlight that reaches Earth every day. The reverse is also possible. In high-energy particle collisions, energy can transform into matter, and matter can transform back into energy. Einstein didn't discover that mass and energy are connected, he showed they're actually the same thing in different forms. Every atom around you is a storehouse of incredible energy. That's the true meaning of E equals mc².